Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop here in Cedar Park, and today we ended up repairing a really unique kind of damage on the driver's door of this 24 Lincoln Corsair. We specialize in hail damage and door dings, and this wasn't the traditional door ding. This front door had some serious buckles and some minor dents throughout it, and we were able to repair this using Paintless Dent Repair. It came out fantastic, and of course if you have damage like this and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. Also, we're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.